These are the materials used for the transparent sheet. This is the acetate sheet. Then this is our art paper. Then we have the tape rule. This is Uyu gum. This is the craft knife. This is the ribbon. This is a red ribbon. Top bond. We have the paintbrush. This is the scissors. This is the pencil. These are the materials used for the class. This is the pencil. This is the cake board. This is size 10 cake board. Then this is our long ruler. Cake board with a tape rule. Yeah, we got 31.5. So you add half into whatever you be getting. That makes it 32 inches. Then your cake is going to be 10 inch long. You roll out your transparent sheet. Then you measure 32 inch wide. Then you tick with your pencil. You tick the line with your pencil, 32 inch wide. Then you measure 10 inch long. Then you tick with your pencil. You can also use a ruler when measuring. You can use a ruler or tape rule. So you tick with your pencil. Then you measure 10 inch long all through. Then you measure your 10 inch long. You measure all through your 10 inch long. You join together. Use your pencil. You join together. You join together. You join together. Then you cut with a scissors. Please be careful while cutting. Take your scissors, cut through the line, cut straight, make it neat. Don't make any mistake, don't let it bend. Cut gently. You have to place your cake board on the art paper, then you draw out a circle. You add 1 inch to the bottom of the cake box. You add round. You know you have cut out your circle, which is the base of the cake. So you continue to add 1 inch round. You add 1 inch all through. As you can see, you add 1 inch all through. Cut it round and cut it out gently. You cut the circle out gently with your scissors. Make sure you take your time while cutting. Don't be in a haste so you won't make mistake. Just cut gently. Gently. You open your top bond with the aid of a brush. You apply your top bond to the base of the paper or the base of the cake box using a brush. You apply it round. You apply gently. Then you attach it to your art paper. Just make sure that the 1 inch that you measured earlier on, the allowance is still showing. So you use your hand, you hit it well. You hit it well. Then you get to the center of your cake board. Then you tick to the top, the upper part. As you can see, tick to the lower part. So you are doing it for the 4 sides. Tick, you get the center, you tick to the, just like the east, west, north, and south. You tick to the east, the west, the north, and the south, as you can see all I'm doing. Then now we are to cut where we are going to add our ribbon. To those lines you tick, you measure to the right, ½ inch, you tick with your pencil. You measure to the left, ½ inch, you tick with your pencil. You have to do that for the 4 sides. You measure to the right, you tick ½ inch to your pencil. From the point you tick initially, you measure to the left, you tick ½ inch with your pencil. That's what we are still doing. You measure to the right, you tick ½ inch with your pencil. You measure to the left, you tick ½ inch with your pencil. That's where we'll be attaching the ribbon to. Then you cut with your craft knife. You make sure you cut it straight. Please be careful while cutting so you won't cut excess. You cut from the 2 lines, you cut out with your craft knife. It's applicable to the 4 sides. You cut half gently with your craft knife. You cut half gently with your craft knife. You cut out gently with your craft knife. Be careful while cutting so you don't cut through. Now gently you trace round. Then after tracing, you are to add 1/4 inch to it, unlike the way you added ½ inch to the 1 inch to the base. Here you'll be adding 1/4 inch to it, so you add 1/4 inch round. Then you add quarter each round all through, quarter each round, quarter each round. After doing that, you take your scissors and you cut gently. Please, while cutting, be very careful. If it's for you to relax and cut gently. Then you cut it out round. Cut it out. That is the extra quarter inch. That's where you are going to be placing the stand for your cover. With your scissors, you measure 2.5 inch all through your art paper. Measure 2.5 inch and you make sure it's wide enough. If it's not enough, you can still cut from your leftover paper and measure. You can join with your uyu gum. So make sure you measure 2.5 inch length of your round paper. Then after you measure, as you all can see, this is what we cut out. This is the 2.5 inch that was cut out. So from the 2.5 inch, you measure half inch. You measure half inch all through. You measure half inch all through. You measure half inch. You keep measuring half inch all through. Then after you measure, you join with your pencil. Use a ruler to join it together. Then you keep joining. You join well, just because it's very long depending on the size of the cake box you're doing. So you join. If you are to add, you add. Then you are going to use your scissors to cut like a zigzag shape. Be careful while cutting so you don't cut into the lines. Be careful while cutting. You cut a zigzag shape. You cut all through. Just take your time during this process. It's something easy to do. Just make sure you take your time. You cut all through. Take your uyu gum. You apply it to the quarter inch that we left behind as the allowance. You apply to the quarter inch. Then that zigzag, the zigzag you cut out, you place it on the quarter inch and make sure you do that gently so that excess will not come out. You can all see the way I'm doing it. Please do this gently so there won't be any mistake. Just make sure that excess is not coming out. Place it well round the head to have a sharp edge. So yeah, it had excess, so I had to cut out the excess. So I used a uyu gum to glue and I cut with my scissors. I cut out the excess. Can you all see the cover? This is how the cover is going to look like. This is how the cover is going to look. So the transparent sheet we cut earlier on, we added half inch to it. So you are going to glue the half inch together with the use of a gum. You can use uyu gum, you can use craft gum, depending on the one you are able to get. So you glue it with a gum and be careful while doing it so you won't glue in excess. If you glue in excess, it will be difficult for it to enter into the cake board, and we don't want a situation whereby we found it difficult, so it won't affect the cake. So just glue gently and glue it carefully. The ribbon, those 4 things we cut out, those 4 places are where we are attaching our ribbon. You measure 25 inches into 4 places on your ribbon. Then you cut with a scissors. You cut 4 places into a scissors with a ribbon. Then you cut. That's the 25 inches as you all can see. Those are the 4 ribbons I've cut. And this is the 4 parts, like the east, west, north, and south I said earlier on. So you apply your uyu gum. You turn it upside down. You apply your uyu gum to those 4 cardinal points. Then you place your ribbon gently on it. Make sure it's gum, so you have to just take your time and place it gently. Don't be in a hurry, please. Take your time and place it gently. Take your time and place it gently. Then now the acetate transparent sheet. This is the sheet. Then you put it into the cake board. It should stand firm in it. It should stand firm in it. You put it into the cake board. Then you take your cover and you cover it. Then you take your ribbon from one end, let's say from the east to the west, from the north to the south. Then you tie it depending on how lovely you want to tie it. So you tie it nice. You tie lovely. You tie nice. As you all can see, this is the transparent acetate cake box. So easy to do. In less than 45 minutes, you'll be done. No stress. You just have to get the right materials and measure correctly.